Hi there, I'm Logan from Bedbugs Deadbugs, and today I'm going to be showing you how to set up one of our BB4 heater systems so that you can kill bedbugs in your house by yourself without using any chemicals, pesticides, or other dangerous materials. Now that you've got the room prepared by getting as much airflow as possible and vacuuming up all areas of the room, you can start getting the equipment ready to go by placing it inside the room. The heater can go inside the room near the door. That way, when you open up the door, you can easily see the readout on the screen that tells you the temperature coming out of the equipment. Right now, we're reading about 25 degrees Celsius. It's been a bit of a warm day here in Toronto. After that, you can place the fan that comes along with it the other direction, roughly in about a circle. So if this is blowing this way, the fan can be blowing the other way. You'll note the direction because of the arrow that's on the equipment. Now, once you've got them blowing opposite directions, then the room is ready to go. The first step that you need to take to getting the equipment ready to roll is taking this black cord in both the heater and the fan and plugging those in inside the room. These black cords don't create any heat, but they are necessary to allow the equipment to actually turn on. So, with the suitcase of cords provided, you'll open it up, and you'll get 4 cords out of this going into different circuits around the house, into each of these 4 outlets. So, one in the kitchen, one in the living room, one in the bathroom, etc. When you plug these in, you'll see that a light will come on the equipment, letting you know that circuit is active. Now, if for whatever reason there's 2 plugs on the same circuit, then it's likely to trip. And in that case, you'll know because you might hear a switch go off, or you might see the lights go out. But most importantly, you can tell because of these lights turning off on the equipment. If that's the case, just find where one of those affected cords is plugged into and move it to a different area of the house. And then simply reset the breaker and you'll be good to go. Once the equipment's all plugged in and ready to go, it's going to start heating up automatically to 45 degrees Celsius. It'll take about 2 hours to reach that point, but in that time, you want to be monitoring the temperature by seeing what the readout on the machine is. So you can go in, check that it's going up. You can place a towel near the bottom of the door if there's any issues with the door closing, and if there's still a gap, then you can place a blanket over top of the door hanging down to keep airflow inside the room. Now, if for whatever reason the reading is plateauing at 41 degrees Celsius, then you're going to want to change where the equipment is plugged into around the house and just change where one of the outlets is. It's a possibility that it's not getting enough power. Now, after approximately 2 hours, the equipment's going to have hit a minimum of 45 degrees Celsius. Once it's hit that important kill temperature, then you can leave it in the room for another 8 hours, and you can start timing from this point too. Now, during that 8 hours, the equipment can go up to a maximum of 60 degrees Celsius, but it'll top off at that temperature and not go above it. If you have any questions during that time, you can give us a call. We're here for you 24/7. During the actual treatment, you can go inside the room at any time. You can move the equipment, you can change how things are laid out, or use the temperature gun provided to see the temperature of things inside the room. I'm reading a nice toasty 32 degrees right now, myself. The equipment's going to get hot, but it's not going to get hot enough to melt a plastic bag. If you want to shuffle clothes in drawers or move things around inside that might be in bags or boxes and open them up so that bed bugs are exposed to that heat as well, go ahead and do that. But pretty much from there, you'll leave it to do its thing. After that 8 hours, you can turn off the equipment, move it into the next room, and start again. Once you've done an 8-hour room treatment in all the areas that you're looking to heat up with the BB4 heater system from Bedbugs Dead Bugs, it's time to return the equipment. It's pretty simple. Just unplug all the cords, wrap them up, and put them back in the suitcase. Unplug the black cord from the wall and wrap it around the equipment so that it can easily be picked up for transport. Remember to put the temperature gun back in the suitcase so that you don't forget it. And then you're ready to roll. Just text us to let us know that you're on your way, and we'll be looking forward to seeing you back. Anyways, this has been Logan from Bedbugs Dead Bugs, and we're here to help you save your mattress and save your sanity. Have a great day.